Introduce features you looking for and fast overview on Anker USB-C Power Strip Surge Protector for Home Office. Acquire early reviews on products that have few or no reviews, helping shoppers make smarter buying decisions. The Anker Advantage. Join the 55 million plus powered by our leading technology. Charge at high speed. The 45 watts USB-C port supports high-speed charging for a wide variety of phones, tablets, and more. Fully charge a 12-inch MacBook in just 2 hours or charge an iPhone 11 almost 2 times faster than with an original charger. With 3 AC outlets on one side, and 2 15 watts USB-A ports and a 45 watts PowerExtend 3.0 USB-C port on the other, you can direct power cords towards the back of your desk while having simple, clutter-free access to the front-facing USB ports. Equipped with a wide range of safety features including surge protection, overload protection, a fire-resistant casing, and more to keep you and your devices completely safe. If you do not understand, not sure or have questions from we described in this video, you can access the link in the video description box. In addition, if you think our channel is useful for you, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads.